This is where we usually catch a boat from, but boy, the waves out there are bad. Washing the mud up and everything. It looks pretty rough. So there's supposed to be a way to go across the river. The Deb is up trying to find out where we go. I don't know, but boy, the ocean is rough. Here's a morning view of the place. Guy over there gonna go fishing probably. Another one out there swimming. Pretty quiet. Like I say, it's off season, so you know. But our room is okay. Hardwood floors. Don't know what they are, mahogany or whatever, but true rattan chairs. Like a wicker weave there. Pretty nice. The ceiling is what's good. This is all true nipa hut. That's nipa on top. No metal, no nothing, just nipa, and it keeps all the rain out. And it lasts for a long time. I guess like 10 years. And this is a ceiling fan. This is called a fan room, beach fan room. And it was only like 2,000 pesos, so like $40 a night. We're getting ready to head out on the scooter here, so but to get a safe, nice little nice bathroom. Not bad at all. It's all screened and everything for the mosquitoes. And hot and cold water. They got one of them on-demand heaters, so not bad. Yamaha and Sikihor Yamaha shop, so we decided to get the scooter service. So these guys are changing the oil. It's got 1,260 kilometers on it, so it's over for the warranty. So they're changing the oil, gear lube, everything. Yeah, it worked out pretty good. Yep, seen the Yamaha sign? Yeah. We better get the oil changed, it's overdue. And we'll be on our way home. We have a long ride yet, so at least the scooter's ready to go. Dad's Founder Barbecue on the side of the road. Pretty busy little place too. Quite a few Koreans on the ocean. It's a little Filipino joint. Pretty busy. But Des got her food. She's happy now. And the San Miguel Light. We got a corn with that was sweet corn, but I think it's about the toughest field corn I ever had. It's almost $1 for one here too. I think they seen me on the motorcycle because the price was pretty high. But oh well. Here we are again, trying to get on Ferry at Sipalay going back to Dumaguete. Couple days here. Yeah, it was okay. It's just off season. And it was relaxing, it was good. Des up there trying to get our scooter on the ferry. I don't know what this one costs. Coming over here, it costs us $500 for the scooter, which is $10. And $100 each, I think, for us. It was only like $7 something. So the ferry ride for us is only like $3. So, I mean, the scooter, everything is under $20. So you can go all over the place like that with a scooter. If you go bigger than a scooter, then it costs you. So, and then that old scooter gets hard on you after a while. On this old man, it does. For sure.
We're now leaving Sipalay, headed for Dumaguete.
Back to Dumaguete.
Back to Dumaguete. That was a good 2-day trip. Relaxing.
You didn't think so?
We didn't go nowhere really, just run around.
That's why I said it was relaxing. The rain.
Right, headed for Sipalay. I said headed for Sipalay.
Yeah, on our way back to Sipalay, we got a place on Sugar Beach for a couple nights, but we got to get there. It's raining bad. So, Dad is wet. Good. Anyhow, we'll get there sooner or later. You can ride like 5 people on that one.
Yeah, I know. That's what it's for.
Yeah. 5 people motorcycle. Maybe 6.
Yeah.
It rained so hard it flooded down here. Big time. Deep. Motorcycles are going around it. Des, what do you think? We'll have to go try. Yeah. A little stop for lunch on our way to Sipalay. Some resort. What's the name of this resort, Bug? Bahura Resort between Dumaguete and Sipalay somewhere. We don't know where. It's been raining hard though. We were wet, but it's warm. But even though, but kind of a nice little resort. I guess somebody just bought it. They're gonna renovate it. But right alongside the road, and the ocean is right there. Well, not bad. I'm sure somebody paid plenty for this place. I mean, desert. Got to get on the road. It's noon. 3 hours in good weather to Sipalay. I'm probably up 5 hours today. Yeah. A little town on the way. Very busy. Selling rice. Des stopped to get another raincoat. I got a poncho, but pretty busy for out in the middle of nowhere. We're right off the coast though, so the towns are kind of busy. A little bit of everything here. We'll see how long it takes her. Another stop in the rain. Been a miserable day, but we gotta go. We have reservations, and if we don't get there, we don't get our money back. So, not much to it. This is where we usually catch a boat from, but boy, the waves out there are bad. Washing the mud up and everything. It looks pretty rough. So there's supposed to be a way to go across the river. The Des is up trying to find out where we go. This normally is got a lot of people, but it's Sunday though, so I don't know, but boy, the ocean is rough.